So it's 1, 4, 1.
Are you playing 3 draw? I'm on 2 draw. Are you on 3?
I was just playing the root.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Fix my holes.
Yeah.
Alright, play.
Okay, you want to play along with this?
Sure. Amplify. Okay.
Yeah. Let me hear you. Okay. So let's just kind of show it to these guys. Can you hear us, Chris?
Yep.
You got an idea of what we're doing?
Yes. Yeah, I played on this one.
Oh, I believe you have.
Not that that is any help.
Yeah. I don't know if you heard Gary say we're going to do the breaks only in the open and the end. That's it.
Okay.
Not between the
If
solos.
that works.
Yeah, let's try it and see where it
Try
goes. Yeah. Go ahead, Gary.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Do we do 5-4 or 5-5 or 2-5?
2 5s on it.
Don't know.
You wrote the damn thing.
I wrote it on the harmonica.
What are you doing, Mikey?
I asked him the same question. I was trying different things to see what sounded good, but
Okay, you guys have to decide.
I say 2 5. I feel in a 2 5.
Right.
Okay.
So you want to go back to the head here?
No, you were right, actually. You were supposed to break there.
But you just wanted to break at the end.
Yeah.
You just always do.
So ideally what we want to do is, because the last guy that's soloing is really soloing, and then he has to kind of bring it down, and then
I can do that.
And we do the melody kind of softly.
Okay, I can do that. So you want to go into one chorus of me and then back into the head?
Okay.
All right. So we'll do one chorus. We'll go back to the head. Count us in, Gary.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick. What do you think?
It's good. Feels a little short.
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah, just
All right.
snap it out.
Let's do it.
What do you think about the only having the 2 breaks? Think it needs more breaks?
I like that. I like the way that I like that for an ending too. I was just noticing that. It's cool.
Yeah.
Cha 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 cha. That's cool.
What about
I think
Yeah,
it's,
I like the ending.
just the beginning and the end then?
Yeah.
Okay.
No fade.
I like the brevity of it too, man. That reminds me of an old single.
Yeah.
Those weren't long. Those old, like 10-inch singles
Right.
and stuff like that. They were.
Right, yeah. That's my thought.
That was something that came along in the '60s.
Hockey had this edition.
What was Yeah, I was thinking the exact same thing. That would be something to add to the end of the tune before the head.
You want to do like 2 choruses of trading 4s,
Yeah,
and then go back into the head.
yeah.
That sounds good. So you'll all be soloing, so it'll just go back to you, then Aki, then me, and then you, Aki, and then I'll end up at the end again, so we go back to the head. Okay? All right.
So from the top.
Sure.
Shall we play this one?
Rocket ride to hell and back. With a detour through purgatory. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Is that on the? I'm sorry. Is that all those hits on the and? Are they on the upbeat or the downbeat?
I think
So,
we're on
one,
the- yeah,
two,
that was-
1, 2,
That was
3. That's on the and.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's on the end. 4 and.
This is the end.
Okay. So the first 2 are on the and, the third is not. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. I'm good.
Right?
Okie dokie.